As the tides rise, so does our need for a united front in maritime security. On August 6, 2024, join an elite cadre of experts at the 3rd Maritime Security Program Workshop, hosted by the Inter-American Defense Board. From 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Washington time, we'll delve into the vital nexus of climate change and maritime security. At this pivotal virtual event, distinguished speakers will shed light on adapting our maritime defenses to the climate challenges ahead. You'll explore cutting-edge strategies for mitigation and adaptation, crucial for protecting our coastal communities and ensuring maritime safety. Whether you're a professional or a passionate advocate for global security, your participation is crucial. Engage in discussions on technological innovations, international collaboration, and the exchange of best practices. Together, we can fortify our resilience against the impacts of climate change. This workshop isn't just about learning, it's about taking decisive action. Register now at www.jid.org to be part of this essential dialogue. Earn a certificate, recognizing your commitment to maritime security and sustainable development. Remember, the event will be accessible via YouTube and Zoom with translations in Portuguese, Spanish, and English. Be the change. Join us and contribute to shaping the future of our oceans and safety. The 3rd IIEDB Maritime Security Workshop, because more rights mean more security for everyone.